This is not just another classic Mopar. This is a true RM-code Plymouth Road Runner, finished in beautiful factory K5 deep burnt orange metallic, with matching deep burnt orange vinyl interior, a 4-speed manual, air grabber hood, Dana 60 rear end, and a date-coded 440 big block breathing through a 6-pack setup. With only 3,800 miles since a ground-up restoration, this Road Runner has the kind of presence that makes Mopar fans stop in their tracks. The paint is deep, glossy, and aggressive. That burnt orange metallic hits different in the sunlight. Add the N96 Air Grabber hood, rear spoiler, chrome bumpers, Magnum 500 wheels, and BF Goodrich radial TA tires, and you've got a muscle car that looks ready to dominate the street. Under the hood is where things get serious. This car is powered by a 1968 date-coded 440 engine, topped with 6-pack carbs and intake. It's been upgraded with Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, an Indy camshaft, TTI, ceramic headers, and an MSD Pro Billet distributor. But it still keeps that classic Mopar look, with the factory air cleaner and Mopar Performance valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and a Mopar radiator with shroud help make this big block Road Runner more than just a showpiece. This thing was built to be driven. Inside, the factory deep burnt orange bucket seat interior keeps the whole car feeling period correct and special. You get the center console, 4-speed shifter, factory dash, tic-toc-tach, gauges, AM radio, and even added Autometer Pro comp tach and gauges to keep an eye on that big block power. This is the kind of interior that takes you straight back to the golden age of American muscle. Out back, this Road Runner is packing a Dana 60 rear axle with 3.54 Sure Grip, putting the power down through wide 275/60R15 rear tires. The H-Pipe Flow Pro dual exhaust exits through chrome tips, giving this Mopar that deep, angry, cammed-up sound every big block fan wants to hear. A true RM Road Runner metallic, 446-pack power. 4-speed manual, air grabber hood, Dana 60 rear, ground-up restoration. This is everything people love about classic Mopar muscle. Hit that like button, subscribe to Muscle Cars Legends, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next story.